Welcome to my channel, Audio Technica M50X. It's a wired headphones. This is the box. So let's open this up. Turn it over. So you got locking cable, instructions, and then you plug it in. General documentation, little box. This is the headphones. Lots of protective padding. Pouch isn't zipped, but it does have these drawstrings, so you can close it up. Let's see what's inside. You have these 3.5 to micro jacks. Another cable. This is again the same, but this one's got a screw. I'll have to figure out which one it is, or what it is, which is stereo phones to micro. Let's remove this. It expands. This is a 3.5mm, or use this, or use this. I think I'd prefer this one. So you lock it in place, and if you don't want to use this, the 3.5, you can add the stereo 6.35mm adapter. Just connect it up like that. And if you got something like this, where you got your input there, you can plug it in and you get output. It looks pretty good. Build quality is nice. It's not very heavy. Really soft to the touch rubber cushioning. Just gonna put it on my ear. It's sort of noise cancelling as well. I'm gonna try this later on and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.